This video is a beginner's guide on OKX Simple EARN. OKX Simple EARN is a method, is a way of you earning free money on OKX without doing anything, without trading, without doing anything. You're able to earn money on your tokens or your cryptos on OKX, and this is a beginner's guide on it. So I'm going to show you guys everything to know about OKX Simple EARN and you can make money from it. Before I go further to teach you guys, this is Friday G's, and on this channel we video about cryptocurrency and I can make money from it. If this topic interests you, please do it to like, do it to subscribe, do it to turn on that bell icon, and go to that comment section and comment OKX Simple EARN. If you like and comment, it's going to make this video to go viral. Please do it to like and comment. So the first step in making money through OKX Simple EARN is you registering an account with OKX. If you don't have an account, use the link in the description box to sign up an account with OKX. When you sign up, the next activity is to have money or to deposit money on your OKX. I'm going to have crypto, either USDT or any crypto. In this video, I'm making use of USDT as an example. You need to have money on your OKX app. For you to do so, you can hit on the deposit right here. Hitting deposit where you deposit money on your account. You can deposit through crypto, like if you have crypto in any wallet, either Trust Wallet, Binance, you can make use of this method to send the crypto to this OKX wallet. You can make use to P2P trading, or you can buy using your MasterCard from your bank. This option is not available for Nigeria. If you're from Nigeria, I'd advise you to do this. You can make use of this and this. So let me go talk about depositing from crypto. When you deposit from other crypto wallet, all you need to do is to just tap on a bring up this page right here, where you're going to select the crypto you want to deposit. So let's use USDT for example. I can search on USDT, right? So once I tap on it, then you ask me to select the network. You need to select the USDT network. Believe me, there are different networks. There are different network. The most commonest one we always use, everybody uses USDT 20. Then once you tap on it, it's going to bring up an address for you. All you do is copy that address. You can say copy this address. This is the address. Copy the address. Take it to the other wallet. And from the other wallet, then you can click on send and make sure you put this address and put this network. Sure the network is the same TLC 20. If you put the wrong network, you're going to lose your money forever. Once you have done that on the other wallet you're sending from, so your crypto will successfully be sent into the OKX wallet. Another way for you to deposit is through OKX P2P. If you don't have money on any wallet, you don't have any money on any wallet, you can make use of OKX P2P to send USDT to your wallet. What you'll be doing here is you buying USDT from a seller. You understand? It's you buying USDT from a seller. I made the videos about how you can buy USDT through OKX P2P. I'll be leaving the link of that video in the description box. So you watch that video so that you know how to buy USDT from OKX P2P. You successfully send your money USDT or any crypto to your OKX wallet. The next thing you do is to hit on this that said the grow. Tap on the grow. Once this is going to pick up the OKX page, OKX Simple EARN page. On this place you can see the EARN, the loan and the jumpstart. We'll talk about the EARN. Then we have the Simple EARN, structural products and on-chain EARN. So as we're talking about OKX Simple EARN, just tap on it. Once you tap on OKX Simple EARN, you can easily read this small article. What is OKX Simple EARN? For you to know what it's all about. As you can see, it's a product created by OKX to help users with idle currency to earn with a low threshold and make it easy to start. It really means this is a method for you to earn free cryptocurrency on your coin, on the tokens you have on your wallet. So the first thing you need to do is to come here and select the crypto coin you want to earn free crypto on again. There are a lot of cryptocurrency and you can make use of right here. So you can easily search for them, either you have to make use of BNB, BTC, anyone get. So right now I make use of USDT. So let me just search for USDT, right? Okay, when you tap on the USDT, as you can see right on the USDT, this is the percentage you're going to be earning on. Is it the percentage you're going to be earning on the USDT. And if you come on this page, this is where you can put the amount of USDT you want to stake. This is like you are staking your USDT and any percentage over it. And if you come to this page, from the first 1,000 USDT, any 10% of anything you stake from the first 1,000. So the first 1,000 USDT, any I think 2% you get on it. So let me go back. There are other coins. These are the recommended coins that have bonuses. Like for this particular one, USDT, any 10% or for the first 1,000 USDT. For this particular one, you'll be any 10%, and for Ethereum, you'll be any 12%. You can search for any of the coin you want to invest in, right? You can see the ones that have percentage. You can search for the one that have higher returns you get. And say this one is going to pay you as much as 16%, 10%, 7% get. These ones with higher returns get, they are actually kind of risky to get. Kind of risky in the sense that if you stake your coin to this, let's say you put in $100, $100 CEL, you get $100 CEL. You stake $100 CEL and the CEL dip, you are losing money too. If it pumps, you are making money too. Yeah, that's why if you're not an expert, yeah, it is preferable you go with it's preferable you go with stable coins like USDT, get and others coins. These high volatile coins don't usually recommend except you are good. As you can see on this here, any 37% of anything you stake, you get 37%, which is quite okay. If you set to put $100 worth of it, the you'll be getting $100 worth of it, we get $100 times 37% of this, and this will be like 170%. You get $170 worth in return. Get if you do this. So if you want to pick any coin, just go for this one. Actually, put it on this with low risk. Those with low risk, you are not going to lose your money on them. You get these ones with low risk, you understand? So as I said, let's make use of use this as an example. So you just have to tap on the USDT, get it on simple earn, get it on the simple earn, and with any 2% you get. But for the first 1,000 USDT, with any 10%, so tap the amount of USDT you want to use. Once you have done, then scroll down, check this button right there, hit on the subscribe. And once you do so, automatically you successfully subscribe to OKX Simple Earn. You can click on the OK. So then for you to see your tokens money you put, you can come to this end button. You can either click on the group, you take you to this page, and on this page, just click on this place, right? Click on this page, it's going to bring you to the OKX Simple Earn dashboard. You're going to see all the products you have invested in. You can see right here, as you can see, this is one of the product that I've invested in OKX Simple Earn. You can see status, getting 10 percentage, a total of 27 USDT, and my returns is 0.05 USDT. Very easy. You can see it right here. So you can also add more to this if you want to redeem, like you want to cancel, you're not interested, you can expand it. Tap on it to expand. Then you can hit on the redeem. So any amount of USDT you want to redeem to your wallet, just tap on it, get this want to redeem everything, tap on it and hit on the redeem and hit on the confirm. If you do so, all the money will be in your bank. All your money will go back to your wallet. Yeah, go back to your founding wallet in case you do whatever you want to use to do. You get very simple. So guys, this is simple method which you can enter OKX Simple and get. So if you find it helpful, do it to like, do it to subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. This here, peace out.